I'm Samantha Dieback, and I'm the founder and CEO of the PR Hub. If you're anything like me as a business owner, you just don't have the time to be reaching out to your clients, your stakeholders, or your network, constantly telling them about what's going on in your business. So a regular newsletter is a really great way of doing that. For us at the PR Hub, we're also using newsletters to promote and build audience for our podcast, Influence Unlocked. When you're using an email marketing platform like MailChimp, you can even dig a little bit deeper to find out things like open rates and whether your subject lines or your messaging is actually resonating with your audience. Don't be afraid to try and mix things up. Newsletters can be a really great way to get lots of really good information out there about your business. But when you're doing that, have a think about other things you can add in. As an example, if you're a fashion brand, why don't you look at creating a beautiful lookbook including your fashion and additional styling accessories? And finally, don't be afraid to put yourself out there. I know for me personally as a business founder, it took a few years for me to accept that, personally, I need to be in our marketing and PR promotions. But as I advise my clients, an authentic, expert voice is so important for selling your brand. It doesn't mean you have to be sending constant newsletters with your face on it. But think about thought leadership, and from time to time, you can share some of that with your audience. You never know, you might be surprised. Your customers may love coming on your journey.